welcome to the Paige family homestead. I'm Andrew. That's Peggy behind the camera. Today we're making pork chops for dinner tonight with coleslaw, homemade coleslaw. And we have we've got a special surprise from behind the garage barbecue. Craig's, and we'll tell you more about that later as we go on.
So we want a coleslaw for dinner.
Yes, we wanted the coleslaw for dinner, but we have no mayonnaise. So right now we're going to make the mayonnaise. Instead of going out, I don't want to go out. What time is it? 5 o'clock. Forget it. I'm not going out. No way. Besides, it's cold. So we're going to make mayonnaise ourselves here. So what I got is 3 egg yolks.
From our Paige
family homestead chickens.
The ladies.
The ladies did this. Notice how it's just the yolks?
Yes.
Yes, just the yolks.
You're brilliant.
So, and then 1 tablespoon of brown Dijon mustard.
Oh. You could use any mustard.
Yeah, you can use any mustard,
Yeah.
but I prefer
I do too.
Dijon.
It's got more flavor, doesn't it?
I would have used Grey Poupon, but the guy in the car wouldn't give me any, so...
Oh, that's a dated commercial.
I know it is, I know.
Oh.
So what we're going to do is we're going to blend this up a bit. Now, you can add your salt and peppers and any kind of thing you want at the end, but you have to do it at the end, because what you'll do is if you add salt and pepper right now, it would kill the yolk. No yolking.
No yolking. And it's the emulsification,
Okay.
right?
Yes, it's the multiplication of the oils and the egg. So we've got 300 grams, 300, whatever they are,
Milliliters
of oil. And it's very important, the first 30 seconds is very important to fuse it all together.
Very little.
Yeah.
The emulsification. Otherwise you get chunks, eh?
Yeah.
It's looking
I'm
good.
just going to take this thing right off.
I would.
Oh, well.
Then it won't work.
Yeah, well, let's see, that's no good, Peg.
See what it's doing down here.
Change the measuring cup because that one kept dripping on me. It's very important you move this slowly into it.
Show it. Oh, look at it. His mayonnaise always tastes so good, guys. I was so sad when we were at a MAYO and we had to make it. Look how thick it's getting. Man, that smells good.
I think that's the noise you can hear.
Yeah. Oh, let's have a look. Texture. Can you show us?
Yeah, look how thick that is. Look at that.
Can I have a taste?
Well, wouldn't you want to wait till the salt and pepper's in?
No.
Okay. Now you can add...
Oh, yeah.
Now you can add your salt and pepper in here. A
Cool.
1/4 teaspoon of each
Cool.
is all you need. So which would be... Good. And... a cup of pepper.
A 1/4 cup?
I mean...
A quarter
tablespoon.
Teaspoon.
That too. And then now we're going to mix it up again. There, I think that's it. I think we're done. Now we have our creamy mayonnaise.
Let's have a look.
Oh, look at that.
This is the feature after all. Mmm. That's beautiful. Put that in the fridge. How long is it good for in the fridge?
Well, you're good. I don't know.
Just, I wouldn't think too long because there's no preservatives.
This is fresh.
Yeah. If you know, let us know in the comments. We've just used it whenever we've made it. Perfect.
Here's the mayonnaise we made. I need half a cup to go into here. Into that.
We can make egg salad sandwiches for lunch tomorrow.
Oh,
with the
that
rest.
sounds good.
It does.
Got my man tool. Now, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar goes into here. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. It also calls for celery seed, but we already put it in there.
Yeah, like it to sit with a little bit of salt with the...
Yeah. And then pepper.
It's just so much better when we have the homemade, eh?
Yeah, exactly. There.
And it makes a nice amount for the 2 of us. It gives us a bit for the rest, you know, for about the next 2 days.
And this is for a creamy coleslaw.
You've been waiting.
I've been waiting.
Oh, shoot. Where's your pot liquor?
Oh, yeah. Right, yeah. There. Now we're going to mix it all up. And we'll have a nice creamy coleslaw. Use the man tool to do this with, that way you don't get so dirty. And then I'm going to pop this in the fridge. And then we're going to make our main ingredient. Our main dinner.
Oh, the meat.
Yeah, the meat.
Seasoned with a wonderful product that we won.
That's
Craig
right.
From Behind the Garage Barbecue.
Yes.
A whole bunch, a whole season plus.
Oh my God, you should smell this
Uncle
stuff.
Steve shakes. Oh my goodness.
Look at this. Look at that.
Oh, let me get a close up.
Okay.
It's so creamy. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, it smells so good.
I know. I know. I know because I made it.
You are a good cook, baby.
Look at this, nice and creamy. Oh, that's beautiful. Now that's what I like. I love a creamy coleslaw. And you know what? Not just for eating as coleslaw. You could put this on a hamburger too. Oh my God! Would that be good? Wake up the hamburger. We will do that in a later video. Okay, so now I'll bring you right back when we do the meat. And I'm going to put this in the fridge for a while.
So here we have it, Behind the Garage Barbecue. He's on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. You gotta check this guy out. He makes meals that I swear, if you don't have a barbecue, you're gonna go out and buy one that day. It just, oh, they're fabulous. Okay, so we won in his contest the Uncle Steve's shakes. Look at them all, though.
Yeah, look at them all.
Is that the one you're going to use today?
Competition pig powder.
And then we have cow powder. And then we have, oh, what's this? Tastes. I got to look at them all real close. I can't see it from here.
There's bird powder.
The gator, the bird.
Yeah.
competition bird, yep. There's hot and spice, sweet and hot or something, and there's everything. We're going to have so much fun with this summer.
It's going to be neat, yeah. So now, what I'm going to do, my hands are clean.
Yeah, whatever.
So I'm going to sprinkle the competition pig powder.
Because it's pork.
Yeah.
I've been reading up on them, and they say you
also
could use
the
anything.
Gator. The Gator.
Yeah, the Gator. They say on fries too.
Yep. So we're going to put this bad boy right all over this. And this one here. These are pork chops, by the way, in case you were wondering.
Let this seasoning stand on its own, eh?
Oh, yeah. Now rub that right in there. Oh, my Lord.
Now, smelling this and thinking back to the meals that Craig was making.
Yes, I know. Now, yes, I know. Now flip this over. And do so on the other side. Don't be afraid to use this. Powder it up. I'll flip this one
You know
over.
what's really cute? It has on the bottles a emergency order line. If you get down there, shake it, and if it goes below that line, it's time to reorder.
Yep. Smart. I'd have never known that. Okay, there.
Yeah, it works better when you don't hold it upside down.
Yeah, I know.
Doesn't that smell good?
Smells really good.
Oh, it smells like barbecue outside, guys.
I know. It smells like spring. Summertime's coming. Everybody run out, start up your barbecues.
Soon. So we got the stove heating.
Yep.
And we're going to heat up the cast iron. Let this sit until that's ready hot. Put her in the oven.
Go. Just wash my hands. Okay.
Aw.
I got my pan heated up. Watch that handle, Peg.
Not
That'll burn you.
going near. It will.
Put a little bit of grease in there.
This oil.
Oil. Oil. Oh, I can smell that sauce, that barbecue rub.
I know. Oh, yeah. And then we're going to cook these at 350 degrees.
350 degrees.
With nothing at all except for Uncle Steve's shake.
Yep. Okay, here's our dinner right here. Isn't that beautiful? Look how well that came out. And the potatoes, I mean that coleslaw. Taste the coleslaw first.
We cheated, eh? We took a little taste of that meat.
Mmm. Mmm. Crunchy?
Yes, it is. That trick you
Very
did,
creamy.
putting the salt on your...
Onions.
No, the salt was on your cabbage to keep it crunchy before you built it.
And it works. Yes.
Yeah. But
Same
that
with the onions. If you put your onion in water,
so
takes that
overpowering
onion taste out of it.
Yeah.
And it makes it enjoyable. That was good. That's really good.
That mayo made it.
Yeah, it did. So let's try some of Uncle Steve's competition pig
powder on a normal chop, just cooked in the oven. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited about the meals this barbecue season.
Oh my God, that is good. Wow. Wow.
Doesn't it just pimp it up? With nothing on it other than, right?
No,
like,
yeah, other than that, yeah, just that. But
beautiful.
wow, what a taste.
I know.
I can understand what Craig sees in this. Really good. Thank you, Craig, from behind the back door barbecue. Back door. Why do I say back door? From behind the garage barbecue.
I'm leaving that in.
Awesome.
It's a blooper. He'll laugh.
Oh my God. And Uncle Steve's competition pig powder. Wow. I can't wait to use the rest of them. Try them all, everything.
So, time to
Very
eat.
good. It's time to eat.
Oh, and served with a homemade pickle. Video will be in the iCards.
These are my favorite.
Yeah, they are. You know, we don't even bother to open them for like 3 months, and then they just
Easy, yeah.
oh,
Because then it just ferments. Like, it's beautiful.
listen to that crunch,
Wow.
guys. That's a nice crunchy dill. We do make good pickles. Won't tell you what we call them until we know you better.
Yes. Okay, give us a thumbs up. And I think the notification bell's right here. Hit that. Ding, 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 ding. Leave a comment below what you think about this. And if you have any words of wisdom, please write it down.
Everybody, there's going to be a link down below for both the Steve's Shakes and also for Craig over at behind the garage.
Yeah, behind the garage barbecue. Yes.
See us all later.
See you later.
Craig, thank
yes,
you.
thank
You know
Craig.
what? We've opened them all, smelt them all.
Smelled every one of them.
And we're so excited about future videos
I
using
can tell
them.
it's going to just, wow, just wake up the taste of everything.